Hi, I'm Caro, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Tuesday, June 30th, 2026, where we simplify today's market intelligence. Markets rebounded sharply as tech came back to life. The Nasdaq surged 2.25% to 29,775, led by semiconductors after South Korea announced an $880 billion AI and chip investment plan. The S&P 500 rose 1.17% to 7,440. In Washington, the Supreme Court ruled the president cannot fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook, removing uncertainty over monetary policy. Oil climbed to $78.75 per barrel on U.S.-Iran tensions, while gold capped its worst quarterly decline on record, falling to $368 per ounce. Now let's spotlight the week's top movers. Rocket Lab surged 16.23% after announcing it will acquire satellite operator Iridium for $8 billion, giving the space company a working satellite fleet and a real path to challenge SpaceX beyond just launching rockets. Owens Corning jumped 15.38% on reports that Carlyle companies made an unsolicited takeover offer, signaling that deal-making in the industrial sector is heating up. Strategy rallied 13.07% after announcing a turnaround plan, including share buybacks and Bitcoin sales, as founder Michael Saylor works to stop the bleeding from a brutal June. Charter Communications climbed 9.51% on dual catalysts. Comcast split opening the door to a possible takeover, plus reported talks with SpaceX on a mobile product. And Tesla rose 8.46% after regulators closed a power steering investigation, and CEO Musk confirmed the latest self-driving software is reaching customers. Looking at today's chart, hedge funds dumped technology stocks at the fastest pace in a decade last week. This extreme selling is significant because it often signals exhausted downside momentum. When positioning becomes this one-sided, it leaves few sellers remaining in the market. This technical washout typically sets the stage for sharp rebounds, exactly like Monday's rally. For investors, these positioning extremes matter as much as fundamentals. Going forward, watch whether this snapback can hold or if hedges reload their short positions. Looking ahead, all eyes are on Tuesday, June 30th. U.S.-Iran talks in Doha could shift oil markets. Calm negotiations keep crude steady, but any breakdown may trigger sharp moves. Nike reports earnings after the close, offering crucial insights into consumer strength and tariff impact, with analysts expecting 13 cents per share on $10.85 billion in sales. Key data releases include U.S. job openings, Eurozone inflation, and Chinese factory surveys. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.